Foods get an excellent texture and mouth-watering taste when cooked over an open flame, and thus avid campers always prefer a campfire when it is about cooking their meals, but every time a campfire isn't practical or even safe. Thus, campers start using wood-burning stoves. These tools are safe, simple to use, and allow you to cook in a few minutes. They also make your outdoor adventure more convenient and enjoyable. That being said, in today's video, we have come up with the 5 best wood-burning stoves for camping that'll help you cook your desired meals while exploring the woods. So, let's get into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
If we speak of innovative design, longevity, and energy efficiency, very few wood-burning stoves would be better than this REDCAMP wood-burning camp stove. Its entire body, including the ashtray, is made out of high-quality 430 stainless steel, while its grid backing plate is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel. For that, it becomes highly durable, can tolerate high heat, and promotes hassle-free camping. Its height is only about 8.3 inches, and its weight is around 5.9 inches. However, its weight drops to 1.5 inches when you fold this camp stove. Again, it is pretty lightweight, weighing only about 1.9 pounds. It'll not break your back. Instead of that, it'll facilitate your outdoor adventure. And for easy carrying, this camp stove comes with a packing bag. Overall, the REDCAMP wood-burning camp stove is ideal for serious campers with lightweight construction and a camp-friendly design. If you consider yourself a camp enthusiast, you should not avoid checking out this excellent wood-burning stove. The kampMATE WoodFlame is a popular and convenient option among campers for its collapsible design and ease of use. It is crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel with a 0.08 mm thick, offering ultimate durability and can withstand the harshest conditions that you may come by in the woods. This wood-burning stove boasts a large burning chamber where you can put twigs, dried leaves, pine cones, wood, and so on as fuel sources. And to hold your cooking pots, it comes with a thick grate and is embossed with side plates. This stove's significant feature is that it is lighter than most traditional stoves and weighs only about 1.1 pounds. For that, you can comfortably convey it anywhere you want to. The other noticeable features are it is foldable and has a nylon carry case for easy carrying. In short, it doesn't matter whether you are camping in the wilderness or backcountry, the kampMATE WoodFlame can easily deal with all of your outdoor cooking requirements with an ultra-portable design and stainless steel structure. When it is mealtime at the campsite and you want to prepare food in a jiffy, it'll be pretty tough to find anything better than this EcoZoom Versa. It comes with an entirely insulated combustion chamber lined with refractory metal, promoting excellent fuel efficiency while decreasing harmful emissions. Inside of this burning chamber, you can put wood, solid biomass fuel, or charcoal to create the flame. Likewise, the combustion chamber, its top door, is also lined with refractory metal for optimum longevity. Both the chamber and damper doors feature reinforced metal frames with hinges for secure locking and easy air circulation. At this EcoZoom Versa's top section, you will notice a stove top constructed of 3-pronged cast iron, supporting flat and round bottom cooking utensils. Lastly, it supports easy maneuverability as it comes with stainless steel handles with silicone grips. All in all, the EcoZoom Versa can generate high heat and lets you cook in no time. If you're searching for a feasible option for your outdoor cooking, you may go with this budget-friendly camping stove. Probably you don't prefer to go camping when your backpack is loaded with a heavy stone. Well, fret not, this Überleben Stöker Flatpack is compact and super light that you can comfortably carry everywhere. This camp stove is designed for ultimate durability and stability and is available in HD304 stainless steel or titanium. That means you get 2 building materials to choose from. Besides, it eliminates the need for fuel canisters. On the contrary, it lets you use organic substances such as sticks, twigs, bark, moss, etc. as fuel sources. This camp stove's other prominent feature are its 5-panel design, offering easy assemble, and its 0.93 pounds of weight promotes comfortable carrying. Its weight comes down to 0.56 pounds if you choose titanium instead of steel though. However, to make carrying even more easier, it comes with a waxed canvas sleeve as well. In summary, this Überleben Stöker Flatpack builds the perfect balance of longevity and performance. If you want something more of a stove, this one needs your attention right now. Prepare wood-fired meals and charge your devices simultaneously with this BioLite CampStove 2 Plus's help. We are bound to position it first on our list of the 5 best wood-burning stoves for camping for its impressive features. It can create a smokeless flame with BioLite combustion technology's help. Also, there are internal fan jets with 4-speed settings to control the airflow. Besides, it can generate 3 watts of electricity from the heat and store the energy into its integrated 3200 mAh battery so that you can use that to charge your smartphone or other gadgets. This BioLite CampStove's most significant feature is its updated LED dashboard. It provides you feedback about what's going on inside. That means you are always aware of heat, airflow speed, and so on. Apart from that, it contains flex light with chroma reel LED technology for nighttime cooking and has aluminum legs for nested portability. Overall, packed with lots of high-quality features, this BioLite CampStove 2 Plus is a next-generation wood-burning stove that'll help you cook your outdoor meals at your comfort. So that was all about the 5 best wood-burning stoves for camping. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.